Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have something special for all you iPhone 4S users out there. I will be revealing 10 amazing and cool features of the iPhone 4S that you probably didn't know about. I decided to make video on iPhone 4S instead of current iPhone models because I wanted to highlight the unique qualities and functionalities of this particular model which may still be relevant and interesting to some users. Additionally, it could be a nostalgic or historical perspective on the evolution of iPhones. So let's dive right in. Behold, in my hand lies the exquisite iPhone 4S model. Its elegant form captivating the eye despite a regrettably cracked on its back. Now, let's look at its features. Feature number 1, Undo Redo by Shaking. Did you know that you can undo and redo actions on your iPhone 4S simply by shaking it? So, it's a handy feature that allows you to quickly correct mistakes in various apps. Open the app, any app you want to do undo or redo. And for example, I'm going to Notes, and let's see here. I'm typing Apple, and suppose here I'm going to check my phone. See here, here is undo, so you can do this, and again here is redo. So if you make a mistake, you simply shake your phone gently and a pop-up will appear, and just give it a little shake and it's voila. Number 2, that is hidden dictionary. If you want to expand your vocabulary, this iPhone 4S has a hidden built-in dictionary that you can access without using external apps. Simply, you have to tap in a word. For example, I tap in this, and you can see here there is this option, and here is a define. Simply click here, then you will get the dictionary and its meaning. Feature number 3, play YouTube in the background. If you are tired of pausing your favorite YouTube videos just to switch to another app, then with this iPhone 4S you can play YouTube videos in the background while using other apps simultaneously. For this, since you can't use YouTube app here, you have to go to Safari and then open youtube.com, and for example I am going to play this video, and now you have to go to home. You have to press this home button, and just you have to swipe up from the bottom and click here, and it will start playing. Now you can play, you can open other apps while the YouTube will be streaming on background. If this doesn't work, kindly restart your phone. Feature number 4, gestures. Gestures make navigation on the iPhone 4S a breeze. Just open the settings and navigate to general and go to accessibility and assistive touch, and ensure that the assistive touch is turned on. This assistive touch turned on. Now go to create a new gesture. Create a new gesture by using your thumb and second finger, mimicking a zoom motion on a photo. So like this, and save it and name it zoom in. Okay, you can save in, and I have already done that. So I have done zoom in and zoom out, and now you have to return to the home screen. You can use this gesture especially in the camera and Google Maps. For example, you can see here's a floating icon, favorites, and suppose zoom in. Now if you click here once, then it will zoom, and if you click here again, it will again zoom. And you can do zoom out also from this. You have to click it here once and it's done. Feature number 5, keyboard shortcuts. Typing becomes even faster with keyboard shortcuts on iPhone 4S. So go to settings, go to general, and go to keyboard. And then there is an option, add new shortcut. Click here. For example, write a phrase, for example, a quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog, and write shortcut, for example, write A Q B and save it. Now you can go to messages or notes and write here and A Q B, then automatically this will come, this iPhone will automatically expand them into full phrases. Feature number 6 is built-in level tool. If you are into DIY projects or need to check if something's straight, the iPhone 4S has got you covered. It comes with a built-in level tool accessible through the Compass app. Just swipe left and there it is, ready to help you level up. Place your iPhone on a flat surface and it will show if it's leveled or not. Let's see here. Feature number 7, hiding a photo. For robust privacy and security, you may want to consider using third-party apps which you cannot get in App Store for lower version OS. So here's the idea. You open the Photos app on your phone and click on the photo you want to hide and go to Edit and click on Crop and move it like this and click on Crop and save. Now you cannot find this photo here, but if you want that photo back, click here, go to Edit, go to Crop again, and here it is. You go to Crop again and then save, then your photo will return. Feature number 8, zoom. The iPhone 4S offers a nifty zoom feature for better accessibility. Go to settings, general, accessibility, and zoom, and turn on. So you have to use 3 fingers. This feature is perfect for reading small text or fine details. Feature number 9, switch off with a broken power button. If you accidentally broke your power button, you don't need to worry about it. So you can head to settings, general, accessibility, assistive touch, and turn on the assistive touch feature, after which a floating icon will appear here, right here, and you have to click on the device and lock screen. You have to press it continuously, this lock screen, and now you can click on switch to power off. Feature number 10, switch on with a broken power button. Can't on your iPhone 4S because of your broken power button? Then fear not. Just plug your iPhone into a power source and it will automatically turn on. You're done. And that's a wrap on our list of 10 amazing features of the iPhone 4S. I hope you found some of these hidden gems useful. If you did, stay tuned for more exciting content, and thanks for watching. Namaste.